My name is Roy Caudill.
Roy's a good guy, he's a good friend, he follows through, a good companion, likes his motorcycles.
I ride with my church in Chesterfield, and it's called the Crossing Riders, and got involved with them for a while. And since COVID, it kind of closed down a little bit because we couldn't get any place to have large crowds.
I remember one of my favorite things about Roy is his shoes. He's got really bright shoes.
Always funny when he eats. It's always funny. He goes.
And I love hearing Roy's stories. He grew up in California, like me and Coach Haynes, and told me stories about how it was in California back in the 70s and all the good memories he's had and like all the fun times he's had back in the day. And one day we sat and talked for like several minutes, and he just described how things were so much different back then, and you could do so much more fun stuff. And I just imagine Roy being a little kid, or a giant kid, because he was like probably 6'5" back then too.
Well, California was definitely a different place. I lived there for 25 years, and then I met my wife, and then we went to, we had moved, I don't know how many times, but anyway, it just got too expensive, and we wound up being invited with her parents to come see her in St. Charles at the time. And then it was our first snow, so we kind of thought it was really cool, and they said, well, you guys need to move here. So that's what we did. We did a big move and kind of hauled all of our stuff here. So
It's good for him to retire, I think, at where he's at his age, and it's going to be different without him here.
I got lots of things I got to do. I'm planning on doing like the honor guard for a motorcycle for the people that are, passed away, and ride motorcycle with the group. I'm thinking about going to a fitness club and, try to keep myself busy. Well, basically, ride my bike as much as I can when it's sunny. And going to be doing some gardening soon, with my wife. And she's raising chickens, so it's something to do.
He's just such a nice guy to talk to. He's a very, very hard worker. He's extremely dedicated, and he's here all the time. He never complains. So he's just a good guy. It's great to work with you, Roy. So if you see this, I'm gonna miss you.